and welcome to Filipino's Recipes. In this episode, we will show you how to make a special yema recipe that you can give to your friends and family as your Valentine's Day treats. So what I'm going to do first is to put 7 egg yolks in a big bowl, and then I will add 1 can of 14 ounces condensed milk, and then mix it all together until everything is well combined. This is the basic yema recipe. You can proceed with the cooking part with just these 2 ingredients, but in order to give it more flavor and texture, I will also add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest to give it a lemony and refreshing smell, and then I will also add 1/4 cup of crushed nuts. You can use almonds, peanuts, or walnuts, and you can skip this part if you have allergies. And then mix them all together, and now that it is blending well, we will now put this in a heated non-stick pan. Pour it carefully in a pan and then set it into very low heat. Continue to stir and scrape the bottom and the sides of the pan to prevent it from burning. So continue to cook and stir until the consistency becomes thick enough to form shape. And then when it has turned into a big glob, transfer the mixture into a bowl and let it cool for a few minutes. While the mixture is cooling, I will prepare my heart-shaped silicone mold. I will first brush it with small amount of oil and then fill all the spaces with the yema mixture. Use a spatula or a bread knife to flatten it. And then after filling all the mold, I will put it in the fridge and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. And while the yema is cooling in the fridge, we can now proceed to melting the chocolate, which we will use as a coating to our heart-shaped yema. To remove the yema from the silicone mold, what I'm gonna do is to push it up until the yema pops out from the mold, and then I will stick a toothpick at the bottom part of the heart-shaped yema. And then I will dip it in the melted chocolate and carefully coat all of its part. And then put it on a parchment paper or on a plate with a cling wrap so that the chocolates will not stick on the plate, and wait for a few minutes for the chocolate to harden. Or you can get a styrofoam or any object where you can stick it and let it cool while standing upwards. And then you can put it in the fridge to keep the chocolates from melting. There you have it. You now have heart-shaped yema that you can give to your friends and loved ones as your Valentine's Day treats. I hope you enjoy our video. If you want to get the written recipe, you can get the link in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day!